Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to share basic things in HTML language. My videos are going to help electronic students to know basic things in current technology. Today in my video, I am going to explain you about HTML. In this, we will discuss about what is HTML, who invented it, why we use it, how to write a program in HTML, and what are the tags we use in it. So let's get started. What is HTML? The abbreviation of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language. What is hypertext? It simply means text within a text. For example, when we open any Wikipedia, there are many words which are highlighted. So for example, if you click on this highlighted text, that means you have clicked on a hypertext, which brings you to a new web page. Hypertext is a way to link two or more web pages with each other. So that is hypertext. Now, what is markup language? It is a computer language that is used to apply layout and formatting conventions to a text document. It means it makes text more interactive and dynamic. It can also turn text into images, tables, and links. After learning this HTML, with CSS and JavaScript, we will be able to create our own interactive and dynamic websites. But now we will focus on HTML. What is a web page? A web page is a document which is commonly written in HTML and translated by a web browser. A web page can be identified by entering a URL. It can be a static or dynamic type. With the help of this HTML only, we can create static web pages. Hence, HTML is a markup language which is used for creating attractive web pages with the help of styling and which looks in a nice format on a web browser. This HTML document is made up of many HTML tags, and each tag contains different content. It is widely used language on the web. This HTML language is used for creating web pages and web applications. For example, when we click on any online websites, HTML language is the one among all other languages used to create all those pages. Now, who invented HTML? Tim Berners-Lee is the father of HTML, and the new version of HTML is HTML5. So now let's see one example. All the programs in HTML are written on Notepad. So this is a program. Let's discuss about these tags. These are called as tags, and this is open tag, closed tag. So any tag we open should be closed immediately. This is the closing tag. So what is doc type tag? It defines the document type, or it instructs the browser about the version of HTML. HTML tag. This tag informs the browser that it is an HTML document. Text between HTML tag describes the web document. It is a container for all other elements of the HTML except this doc type. Head tag. It should be the first element inside the HTML element which contains the metadata. What is this metadata? It is the information about the document. This head tag should be closed before the body tag opens. Title. Title tag, as its name suggests, it is used to add title of that HTML page which appears at the top of the browser window. It must be placed inside the head tag. And body tag. Text between body tag describes the body content of the page that is visible to the end user. This tag contains the main content of the HTML document. H1 tag. This is called as heading tag. This describes the first level heading of the web page. P. This is called paragraph tag. It describes the paragraph of a web page. So after writing the program, we have to go to the file and go to save as option, and I am selecting desktop to save the program, and we have to give the file name as index.html. Here index is my file name and HTML is my file extension. Go to save. So I saved it on the desktop. Open it. If it doesn't open, then right click on the file and go to open with, and here we can see many options like Google Chrome, Internet Explorer. So anywhere we can open it. So this is the output. Whatever we write in the title, that appears here, web page. This is the heading tag, what we have written in heading tags, and this is my paragraph. So one more thing is, we have written heading as H1. Actually this is nothing but heading tag contains the tag as HN, where N takes the form link numbers from 1 to 6. That means if we write, we can write from H1 to H6. What is the difference between these numbers from 1 to 6? I will show it in the example. So when we have written already H1, so we have seen the output. If I write here H6, then what is the difference is 6. Save it. Open the output. See, the size has been decreased, right? So that is the difference. See here H1. For H1 heading tag, the output is bigger, and for H6 the heading line is smaller. So that is the difference between heading tag. So please subscribe and share the video.